Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to bring you guys some more healthy desserts, but technically the donut one you could eat for breakfast. Honestly, any time of day, all of these recipes are healthy and all of them are delicious. So let's go ahead and jump in. So before we hop into the next recipe, I wanted to mention today's sponsor, which is LMNT. You guys know this is a ride or die electrolyte mix for me. It is the cleanest one, and you guys know how important it is to me that I only approve of things that are super clean and good for you and with no weird fishy ingredients. It's paleo, keto friendly, no gluten, vegan friendly, no sugar, and of course no dodgy ingredients. There's only 1 gram of carbs, so if you count carbs or keto, just so you know for that. And all of the flavors are honestly so delicious. My favorite ones are the watermelon, the raspberry, the citrus, and then I like the chocolate in my coffee or in a smoothie. All summer I've been putting the chocolate salt in my smoothie and it is a game changer. So often people don't realize that a lot of symptoms could be an electrolyte imbalance, and that can be muscle aches, muscle fatigue, headaches, cravings in between meals. Kashi, I know, she's a big fan of LMNT too. Hi, Boo Boo. That's my golden retriever, Akasha. But so many people don't realize that all of these things can get solved with electrolytes. And I find if I don't have LMNT and I don't have enough electrolytes in my day, then I get headachy, I just feel a bit lethargic. It really helps not only in the summertime, but also all year round. So make sure you click the link because you're gonna be able to get a free sample pack with any order. You get to try all 8 flavors. Let me know which one is your fave, but this is so nice of them because this is also good for returning customers. So if you have already tried LMNT, you love it, you've been hearing about it from me, you're like, Liv, I get it, you love it, you can still get 8 more free, which is amazing. So head down to that link. I'll also put it in the description box. Let me know what your favorite flavor is if you haven't tried it already. And yeah, I've actually just poured some into my water because it's midday and I definitely need to hydrate. guys, thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to get your free sample pack of LMNT by heading to the link down below. Try these recipes, they are so delicious. We've been eating through them already. There's only one chocolate chip cookie left, and I think I'm gonna take it before my fiance does. So with that being said, I'm gonna go grab one of those cookies. If you guys aren't already following me on Instagram, definitely head on over there because I post lots of healthy recipe stuff, healthy lifestyle, wellness, and all of that over there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.